Today, I'm going to show you how to get your live ActiveCampaign data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension, and then select Import From. Next to Connected Sources, select Add, find ActiveCampaign, and hit Connect. Next, you'll want to find your account name and your API key. And if you want to know how to find your API key, you can click here. It will give you instructions. But once you add those, I'm just going to go copy them in. Then hit Connect. Now that you've authorized, you can begin your first import by selecting Start from Scratch. This will open the import preview, and here's where you'll select what data you want to import into your spreadsheet. With this connector, you can import many different types of objects. You can get accounts, contacts, campaigns, messages, and so much more. So to get started, let's select Get Campaigns, and then hit Preview. From here, you can select all fields available, or you can decide to curate the import exactly how you want it and select what is more meaningful for your use case. You have some pre-selected fields here, so once you're happy with how you've curated it, you can select Import. And now that your data is in your sheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly cadence so that your data always stays up to date. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin pulling in your own ActiveCampaign data. We hope you give it a try for yourself, and thanks for watching.